Hello everybody, welcome to Summer's Woodworking. Since I've moved into this woodworking shop, I've been wanting to secure what's in it. I have surveillance cameras, but without lighting, they are rendered useless. My other shops I've owned always had light continuously pointed at the doors, however this one doesn't in the front. At first I was thinking on installing a security light here where I could reach it without using a ladder because I cannot climb one. I soon changed my mind when a friend of mine I hired helped move it to where I really wanted it. Today I will show you a brand new product by Sansi, and it is a Sansi LED security motion sensor outdoor lights. It's rated 30 watts. It's 250 watt incandescent equivalent, so it's very bright. It's 3400 lumens. The color is 5000K daylight, and it is a waterproof floodlight that is ETL listed. Let's take a look at it. While I unpacked this, I noticed that the box is pretty heavy. I first opened it up and I could tell you that it is well packed. First thing I'll pull out is the hardware. Now, pulling out the ceramic lights, I noticed that the lights are movable, so is the sensor, and it is well constructed. At the bottom there is the instructions. First, I have to attach the mounting bracket to the 4-inch drawn octagon electrical box. Then attach the flexible metal conduit combination clamp connector. As you can see right here is where the ground screw goes to. First, you want to drill the hole where you want to install it. Insert your wiring. Then you want to tighten up your clamp connector. Then screw the junction box to the wall. Caulk the outer edge. Then twist your wires on. Then attach the light with the center screw. Now you want to staple within 6 inches of where the wiring is coming in from the fixture. Then we're going to cut the cable to length, and then we're going to feed it through the holes that are inside the studs down to the box and feed it through the box. Then we're going to cut the insulation back and cut off the access. Then we're going to twist the ground wire together. Then we're going to make a cane shape on the end of the hot wire and attach that to the hot side of the switch. After that's done, then we're going to twist on the common wire to where I have it pigtailed. Put the switch together in the cover and then go outside and adjust the sensor and security lights. Wow, the sensitivity on the sensor is very good. I just stood up and the light turned right on. As you can see, the light really brightens up my yard. You can see everything around it. I hope you enjoyed and learned how this product works. If I missed something or you have questions, leave me a comment below. Please subscribe and hit the like button. I hope you all had fun, and thanks for watching. That's how it's done, son.